Okay, at Route 3 highway on a ramp, a car of a mass of 1.50 times 10 to the third kilograms is stopped at a stop sign, waiting for a break in the traffic before merging with the cars on the highway. A pickup mass with 2 times 10 to the third kilograms comes up from behind and hits the stopped car. Assuming the collision is elastic, how fast was the pickup going just before the collision? If the car is pushed straight ahead onto the highway at 20 meters per second just after the collision. So we have our truck stopped. We have our car stopped, the truck, and then after it hit it, it goes forward. So our given is M1 equals 1.50 times 10 to the third kilograms. M2 equals 200 times 10 to the third kilograms after. V1 final is 20 meters per second. So we know our formula. We need to find velocity of 2 initial. So we have velocity of 1, mass of 1, velocity 1 initial plus mass 2, velocity 2 initial equals mass 2, velocity 2 initial, which equals M1, mass 1, velocity 1 final, plus mass 1, velocity 2 final. So then the collision is elastic, so we can cross velocity 1 initial 0, so that cancels out, and we get velocity 2. We cross out velocity 1 initial equals negative velocity 2 final minus velocity 1 final, and we get that M2 V2 initial mass 2 velocity 1 final minus mass 2 velocity 2 final, and then it is mass. We do a little algebraic simplification, and you get 2 mv2 v2I equals m1 plus m2 times v1 final, and then you get you simplify more, and it's v2I equals m1 plus m2 divided by 2m 2 and then it's v1 final. So then you get you plug in your values times 20 meters per second, gives you 17.5 meters per second.